Hello, welcome again to Phil's Workshop, part 2. I said this would probably happen. Now, on the other video, I got to this part where I was going to couple this up, and I've forgotten that I don't join videos up. I've tried to do it before and it doesn't work. So this is a part 2. And I do apologise if it causes a little bit of confusion from the other one to this one, but I was enjoying myself too much. I wasn't watching what I was doing on my timing. So okay, here we go. This now is the charge connection that I'm going to put on now. So what we've got, first of all, we've got the negative, and now the positive. So I'll go through with everything in a moment. Just bear with me, folks. It's things are getting away from me because it's been a while since I put up a decent video, and I do apologise. Well, you already know what I'm like. I can't help it. Okay, so what have we got so far? Right. So far we've got the 21 volt battery power supply that's going to be the power supply. We've got the charge input cable for charging this up from the vehicle. Down on the block here we've got the power from the battery going to the socket, which will go out to the motor. These two cables here is the charge input cables, and the charge input cables go to them. Now also onto the power cables we've got this little cable here connected up. What this is going to be is for this piece of kit here. Now we've got to cut a hole for that, but I don't know whether or not I'm going to do it today or wait until my other bits come. That's working okay. Eventually I'm going to put a piece of wood on there. What I need to do now is to mask off well, I was going to mask off. Yeah, there we go. It's to mask off this piece here, because this is where my battery monitor is going to go. That's going to go there. And what I need to do is to, I can, oh yeah, okay, fair enough. So, let's try and work a bit of magic, eh? It's not very often as I can work a bit of magic, but we'll try. We'll try. Let's try. Right, so if we put that down there, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put that on there so as I end up with a straight edge, and I'm just going to hold that onto there. Hopefully it's not moved, and then I'm just going to draw around this item. Right, so what I've got now is I've got an area that I've got to cut out. Ah, great. Now then, unfortunately, I've not got any cutting discs at the moment. They are coming. They're supposed to be coming today, so goodness knows when. So, unfortunately, this bit now is nearly done. The next bit I'm going to do now is to try and get this piece of wood in place. Right, okay, so let me just shove that out the road for a moment. Right, I'm just going to make a move about, so hopefully I can, I've got what I want here. Have I? No, I thought that would be the case. So just bear with me, folks, as I shove things about. Now then, I'll bring all this back. As I say, there's going to be either one or two or maybe three of these videos for this. Right, okay. So, we've now got a block here, which is just going to be a mounting block for fastening it on with, so nothing too elaborate. I'll put these drills back. I think that should do me. I don't want too big a hole in it. Hope everybody had a good weekend. And as I say, I've already said thank you to a lot of people, but you all mean a tremendous amount to me. Right, so we'll pop that in there. We'll get me going. Now, most of you people use an impact gun. Because of the job that I used to do, I used to work with a lot of very delicate equipment. I couldn't use an impact gun. So this little chappy was always top notch with me. Always worked well. Whoa! There you go, see, that's what you get with having a mucky bench. Brilliant, you know. Right. Screw number 2. That's it. Now then, that's got that piece of wood in place. So because what I'm going to do with that now, you see, is, that's it, you can see it, is here somewhere. I'm going to drill so as I can put in a screw just to keep that closed. Doing nothing else, it's just to keep that closed there. So what I'll do is I'll use the same Get the Right Thing, Mr. Barnes. I'll use the same drill and roughly in between Now then, that wouldn't do what I wanted it to do, but what I want it to do is go somewhere about there. Now, let me see if that goes where I want it. Yes. So, what we're going to do, right, I'm going to move myself around again. And what I've got some of these inserts, which are absolutely brilliant. Ideal for doing little jobs like this, whereby you're only going to use a small screw. So I'm going to go that way again with the table, and I'm going to try and sort out a screw. Right, should have some over here somewhere. So there we go, we want that one, I think. Yeah, we'll have that type. I thought I had another type, but I can't seem to find it. No, totally lost, which is not unusual. Right, I'll bring this back. Oh, it's been a little godsend, this has. Right, here we are, back in again. Now, what I want to do now is find, that's not it, that's too big. And that is just the job. Right, so that is a I can't remember what that is, but we'll find out any road up. So we've now got the bit that we're after. It's time for me, what's the name again? Now, if I remember right, that's 5mm. Now I think, if I remember right, these have got to be round about 6mm, yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm knocking you about, am I? Yeah. There you go, sorry about that, folks. Right. Now, rather than try and drill this in situ, because it's going to be a royal pain, we'll take this out, and then what we'll do is we'll change that drill. We'll go 6.5 at first and see how we do from that. Then of course what we want then is we want a, have I got a free one? Sometimes I've got a free one in here. What I'm talking about is an Allen key. There we go. Right, so without put that in there, which is just the job. Now that holes I initially put in obviously isn't big enough to put that through. I know that's 5mm, so I haven't got a 5mm, so I'll have to go 5.5. Now hopefully, yeah, that'll be okay. So hopefully that should go through there, and it does. And with a bit of luck, that should screw. Oh yeah, it does. It does. It does. It does. It do. It do. It do. It do. It do. And then we change that for that. And there. That. In there. And then hopefully, providing I've done things right, that should go in there like so. There you go. And that's all that's doing. It's doing nothing else. It's not meant to hold it really tight or anything. It's just a matter of keeping that closed. So the next thing to be done is for this area here to be cut out. Now unfortunately, as I say, I've got no cutters. I'm waiting for the blades to come, so that is going to be another video. Now, again, I'm coming towards the end of this one, so hopefully things have gone well on the first one. Hopefully the things have gone well on the second one. Please leave a comment, say hello, and I certainly hope. Now let me bring this up to my ugly mush. Hey, there you go. Hello, 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 hello. And we'll turn it round, wrong way, come around this way, towards me. There you go. So, that's it. That's the first two videos on this one. I think there's probably going to be another one, but we'll have to see how it goes. Thank you very much. Please make a comment, be it bad, good or indifferent, and let me know, because if you don't let me know, I can't do nothing about it. Thank you very much for my subscribers I've already got. If you're a new subscriber, please pass it on, ask other people to come, because there's all sorts of stuff like this coming up and I just don't know when. You'll just have to bear with me. So with that, people, please subscribe. It's free, it costs you nothing, but it means a terrific amount to you. To you? It means a whole lot to me. Enjoy. I'll catch you on the next video. All my old friends out there, many, many, many thanks. I love you all. Bye bye. Phil's Workshop. We're gone. We're out of here. You've had enough of me. I'm gone. Bye bye.